Shalom, shalom. What's going on? This brother Zephaniah, servant of Yahweh, treasure warrior spirit, Yahweh Kuyasha Allah. With a little, just something right here. I had some ginger in the top of here, sprouted roots already done potted, planted it in the community pot. There's coffee grains in the bottom of some water. And I had on the radiator. It's called airland. And the onion, I took the onion and see what we got. Look at that. I took the onion and cut it at the bottom right there and put some dirt over the wound. Cut the little rough spot off the onion where it's dead roots and stuff at. Put some dirt right there and then put it down in here like this. Cover the hole up. A little bit of saran wrap because I ain't make a perfect hole. And then just let the humidity, the condensation that's starting to evaporate, get on this pod right here. And look at this. Big roots coming off here. Jones growing out the top. This is an organic onion right here. It's an organic onion. This is a quick, fast way. You got a grow bag. Get you a bag of onions. So you ain't got to wait for them to start growing leaves out the top and roots. You just cut that hard cap that be right here. That's dead roots. Then put some dirt on it. You know what I mean? Wet it. And then you can get you a jug, something like this. And put that joint on there. Make a better circle. And then if you got a heat source, and let the humidity get to that spot and roots. And then this what you will have right here. A good way to practice in the house. To try to get fast ways to get stuff to germinate. And this organic red onion, it's going to give me some more onions. I'm put in the community pot. But I got grow bags. So now I know a fast way to get my grow bags proliferating. So I'm about to do a grow bag with onions, turnips, onions, potatoes. I'm about to do maybe some butternut squash. Far as with my little grow bags. Got some other projects. I got a raised garden bed, 8 feet long, a joint I built. About to build some more and really try to get my growing off the ground this spring. Not trying, I am. This spring, because that's what we supposed to be doing. They spraying chemtrails. They playing with the food. It's a whole lot going on. They created a bottleneck in the supply chain. It's a lot. And it's fun to do. It's fun to grow. It's work, but once you get a system down, it become easy and it's fun. And you can start going shopping in your own house or backyard or wherever you got stuff growing at. You know what I mean? That's what we supposed to be doing, Israel. Not sitting around depending on Egypt to supply you with everything. I even make my children's own toothpaste. I try to do everything. I try to make everything homegrown. Candles, body butters, all that we doing. Everything. Working on growing my own crops and stuff now. Beehives, make my own honey. You know, fruit trees to grow my own fruit. Herbs. Growing herbs in the house. A whole lot of stuff. Projects working on. You know, I'm just going to keep on pushing and make little videos like this to put the spirit on Israel. That, you know, to at least try and to see that they can do it in a small space. There's one onion right here. And I knew it had to have roots because it was just one of these little green shoots coming out the top. It just, you barely could see it. You could see it just peeking his head up. That junk done sprouted up. Junk trying to take off. Damn. But yeah, I know it grew a whole lot of roots out of there, though. Whole lot of roots. So, other than that, till next time, this your brother's big brother Zephaniah. I ain't posting in a while, been mega busy. You know, staying in my book, reading my book, just meditating in the truth, and just working on the stuff I've been working on.